viewers, welcome to my channel Versatile Cooking. Today I will be making wood apple juice, that is 𝗕𝗂𝗀𝗃 Sharbat. So let's get started. Pulp of half wood apple, 4 glass of water, 4 tablespoons sugar, first of all take out all the pulp from wood apple. Put 1 glass of water and mash all the pulp with your hand. You have to mash it continuously because the seeds are very sticky and you have to separate the seeds from the pulp. Now add 3 glass of water and sugar and mix it well. With the help of strainer, pour all the juice in a bowl so that all the pulp and seeds are removed from the juice. Now your wood apple juice is ready. Serve it chilled and garnish it with a mint leaf. If you like my video, like it, share it and subscribe my channel. Thank you.